Hey Dals, so today we have a Shein haul. Oh, hold on, let me take these clips out my hair real quick. Okay, that should be much better, y'all. So today we have a Shein haul, and all of these items were purchased by me. I did not get sponsored whatsoever to do this video, y'all. So I have this black jumpsuit on. This is not from Shein. It is just to get me started. This is the box, and I'm super excited to try it. So let's try the pieces. I will name the pieces as I go. I might try to style them, but if not, then you're just gonna see these pieces on me. This is my first time trying all the pieces on, y'all. So I hope they fit, because baby, I just hope. On to the video.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Here we have the first outfit, y'all. This is super cute, but the only thing is, with me having a BBL, the pants is too tight. Now I could keep the jacket, I could keep the medium jacket, but I would need large sweatpants, because right here in the waist area it is too tight, and my pockets bulge out like this, if y'all see, and right here is like tight. So if I like make a move, well, let's see, it's soft, but y'all get what I'm saying. I like my stuff baggy. So this right here is super cute, but the pants are tight. I love the jacket. I love the way the jacket fits. It fits me. I love how it goes down on the arms. Let me give y'all a 360. I love how the jacket fits, but it's pants for me. The pants have to be a little bit bigger, because you see this right here, it's extra right here. It's a lot extra, as you can see. This is how it looks, and let me see. Cause y'all know what hood. Sometimes hoods don't be. The hood is cute, and the hair goes with this outfit. Like, it's hidden. It's hidden. I give this outfit a 8 out of 10 because the pants. Just the pants. If the pants was perfect, if the pants were a perfect size, then I would have gave it a 10 out of 10. But so far, I give this a 8 out of 10. This is a size medium. Okay, let me scoot back so y'all can see the legs. So these are the legs. I'm about to move on to the next outfit so y'all can see it. This is the second outfit. When I say this outfit looks so cute on me, it is giving what it's supposed to give. I can't do these heels, y'all. That's why I'm like leaning over. But y'all, this is the outfit. That's how it looks in the back. This is a BBL girl outfit. The leggings, they so soft. I love leggings. I love leggings. And the leg is soft, but I feel like they could, it's always in this area that they mess up on, because it's like loose right here. And I love the shirt. You could tie it tight so that your breast won't come out. You do have a little bit of side boobage. I'm loving this, and I paired it with my JBW watch. And these heels, look, these heels, and you can pair it with this bag. I feel like this bag go cute with it. I'm not for sure what y'all feeling, what y'all vibing with. I feel like this here go with every outfit that I put on. Like, okay. So yeah, I like this. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10, but let me tell y'all what size I got. Most of my outfits I did get in a large, except for a few. So this set I got in a large, y'all. And yeah, it's super cute. On to the next outfit. I have this outfit right here, and it's a what is it, off the shoulder dress, and I like it. I'm not gonna say love, because I got a large and I could have gotten a medium because it's like very loose. Not too loose, but I could have did a large, but I could like scrunch this up. But this dress is super long, y'all. Like, I don't even think y'all can see it. Like, let me show y'all. It is super long, y'all. It's super long. It goes all the way to the floor. Not even to your ankle, all the way to the floor. But this is giving me a date. I will do this for a date night. It's cute. I can just see it. It's giving very much luxury, simple, but you can definitely spice this up with something. So yeah, I should have got a medium, just like I should have got a large in the two-piece green. So yeah, Shein is definitely iffy. It's definitely not like Lovely Wholesale's quality wise, but this one I would give a 8 out of 10. All right, on to the next outfit. Okay, y'all, so I would really have to hold this microphone, but this outfit is so cute. It's giving vibes. Like, I compare this with heels, I compare this with gym shoes, I compare this with some Yeezys. Like, it's just so many ways to pair this, and I think I would pair this with a yellow bag with some green heels or some red heels. It just all depends, but this is so cute. Let me show y'all the pants. The bottom of the pants are super cute. Like, I want y'all to see these pants. I gotta put my foot up. But yeah, these are the pants. Super cute, y'all. And then you can tie the shirt up, but I just leave it like that. Or you can have somebody like cut it up. Like, oh my god, so cute. I got a large in the pants and a large in the shirt, and I should have got a medium in the shirt because I didn't know that they run this big, but I mean, it's okay. The oversized shirt is really cute. And these pants, this outfit, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It's giving. I ain't got it like dressed right, but I very seldom see myself in like clothes like these. But it gives, like, it's so cute. Like, you can pair this with gym shoes, heels. Like, you could dress it up or dress it like retro vibes. So yeah, I love this one. 10 out of 10. Yeah, and I also will leave all the names of the outfits in the description right below that I got, so you sure I could check it out. But yeah, I love this shirt. I'm gonna have to get like 3 more of these jumpsuits. I think they had gray and white, or just gray and brown. I don't know what colors they have, but I gotta get more. I think I'm gonna go get some more of these jumpsuits because these are so comfortable. I will wear these all the time. 10 out of 10 already. Let me turn around for y'all so y'all can see. And I love this one sleeve, this one shoulder thing going on. This is a size large. It's always right here. It's always areas that can be like just adjusted. I don't know. I guess they do it for people who want extra room, but I don't want extra room. I want it to be like smooth. So I might have to go get this taken in. Maybe not. You know what I'm saying? I could just like stretch it like that. But yeah. And the legs. I love the legs so far have been bomb because most of the time the legs stop at a certain point and they don't nearly go down. So I love this jumpsuit. Let me give y'all 360. Let me show y'all. I love it. Super bomb. 10 out of 10. Bomb. I don't know. It's just giving. It's giving. Okay, y'all. On to the next outfit. I have to hold the mic on this one, but I'm finna fall down. This is a mini dress, and I'm in love with these basic dresses. Like, come on. Like, you could style this up. Like, a coat, some boots, like either some ankle boots or some knee-high boots. Girl, I was trying to get it out. Some knee-high boots, y'all. Bomb with this. Like, come on. This is giving. It's very much giving, and I'm in love with it. 10 out of 10. It's fitting my body right. I honestly like how loose this is, because it's not really loose. It's fitting me, but it's like, it's only like in the tummy area sometimes when it's loose, and then when it's scrunched up, it gets loose. But other than that, I get this 10 out of 10. I don't even care about that because it's not bothering me, and I love it, y'all. It's giving. Okay, it's giving. Period. What y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about these outfits. Do you like this one? Let me know. Be right back. Okay, let's get into it. I love this chill outfit. Basically, I got this top for the black pants that I'm going to be wearing. And this top is more so cream, but I don't know if I'm going to pair it with this yellow coat, these black joggers, and these yellow, black, and white dunks that I have. That's what I got it for. I got this top for, no, I honestly got the top for the two-piece you seen in the beginning, the green, but it's cream, but I guess you could wear it with it because it's green. Cream goes with green, but the outlining of the zipper is white, so I just didn't want to pair it with it. I just rather have my titties show, my booby show. So these come in a 2-pack. These come in black and these come in gray. I got these in large, and I'm so comfortable in these, which I stated in the beginning of the video. With the first outfit, I should have got a large in the pants, but it don't come separate. It's either large jacket, a large, medium, small, which I should just got a large, and the jacket would have been a little bit more bigger, but it's okay. Because you got to think about, when you wash these clothes, they do shrink. So I give this outfit a 9 out of 10. It's not really an outfit. It's something really chill, and I think I'll pair this if I'm just chilling in the house, or if I'm doing a makeup look or something like that. Because like I said, it came in a 2-pack, and I didn't really want these joggers. I want to try the black ones on so that y'all can see them. It's going to go perfect with the outfit that I had in mind to wear with these. That's it. Let's move on to the last outfit. I give this one a 9 out of 10. Like I said, I love the fit of the pants, well, the joggers, and I like the shirt. I think they have other colors as well, but this is more like a off-white, and I think I did get it in white. On to the last outfit, y'all. This last outfit, it's gonna be cute. This outfit, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Bomb. This jacket is bomb. It's everything. I love this jacket. It's so cute. It's a crop jacket, and I got it in an extra large. I'm so glad I got it in extra large, because it fits perfect. It fits perfect, y'all. And this shirt right here, and my height is 5'4". I'm 5'4", and I weigh 173 pounds. So I got an extra large. These pants I wouldn't pair with it, but I mean, if you want to, you could. But I wouldn't pair these pants with this. It's so cute. I found this off of Ashley Dior. If you're not subscribed to her, go subscribe to her. I love her videos. I'm subscribed to her on YouTube. I had to get it because I'm like, okay, I can style it too. I'm like, yes, this is so cute. I'm in love, y'all. I love this outfit. 10 out of 10. And this is the last outfit. The reason I'm like kind of like forcing myself not to bend down so much is because I'm trying to not get makeup on my coat. And I got a size large in a shirt, which is perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. I don't know what I'll pair with this. Like, it's so many ways to just style an outfit, but this is so cute, and I'm in love with this outfit. This is the last outfit, and I give it a 10 out of 10. If y'all like these Shein hauls, and if y'all want me to do another haul with buying outfits and actually styling them from head to toe, let me know if y'all would like that. But if y'all want me to try more clothes from Shein, let you know how they fit, let you know how I like them, let me know too about that. And yeah, y'all, that is it. And shoot, get on Shein, y'all. Get on Shein for me and be like, you need to sponsor her. Sponsor me, Shein. I could definitely rock your clothes. And it's my first time buying the clothes, so it actually was pretty fun trying them on and to see how everything fits. That's why I did not touch any clothes when they came. I just looked in the bag to see if all my stuff came, and that was it. So I'm actually pretty shocked at how most of these outfits fit. Everything was amazing. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be ordering from Shein again. Okay, Shein girl, and their outfits are so affordable. So yeah, y'all, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next Shein haul. Bye.